This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the fundamentals fast. Make sure the C13 power cable is fully seated at the console and the wall. Once done, test the outlet with a lamp or phone charger to eliminate a bad socket. Avoid surge protectors while diagnosing. Next, unplug the cable for at least 10 seconds. Then press and hold the console Xbox button for 10 seconds to drain residual power. This clears transient faults and often lets hardware reinitialize cleanly. Now move into deeper checks. Replace the power cable with a known good IEC C13 lead and try a different wall outlet. A faulty cable or circuit is a common silent culprit. Once done, remove all USB devices, external hard drives, and even the HDMI cable to rule out peripheral-caused hangs. Then reconnect only power, press the Xbox button, and attempt to power on. You can also press the controller Xbox button to see if the console responds to a controller-triggered wake. If the console still won't power, try invoking the troubleshooting/recovery path. With the unit off, hold the pair and eject buttons, then press the Xbox button and keep holding until any recovery menu appears. This can allow an offline update or reset. If nothing appears or power issues persist, arrange authorized repair or contact support for a warranty or paid repair. Do not open the unit. If you notice burning smells, clicking, or visible damage, stop and seek professional repair immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.